that people, can you help in arranging a talk from them into our college? That is how you develop yourself. आपने हमको बोला, हमने बोल दिया इंडस्ट्री वालों को कि चलो भाई हमारे साथ. But what is the challenge for me is to get them on board. आज के ज़माने में, आज के टाइम में till BS6 gets implemented. There is just no time with industry people to look here and there. So, संदीप शर्मा जी will be talking of, I don't know क्या बातें करेंगे. मुझे तो कुछ समझ में आएगा नहीं उनकी बातों का. But still I will try to pick up something from him, which I will use in my next talk. कहीं और जब जाऊँगा. So happy learnings, and I am very happy that PBS has taken the initiative of forming this club. Thanks to Suraj, and I hope that इस रीजन में, इस बेल्ट में, चाहे वो इलाहाबाद हो, इलाहाबाद से आप आगे बढ़ जाइए, कानपुर कर लीजिए, लखनऊ कर लीजिए, इधर कर लीजिए. If in this belt BBS becomes the center of activities, you have a beautiful campus, then जो support हमसे चाहिए we will provide. Learners, listen to him. He may be talking something which you may not have heard, but listen attentively, ask questions, and even if you go back with just 20-25% of retention, you have done a superhuman excellent job. Whatever he says. Okay? Thank you.
Mr. Anup Kakkad sir and Mr. K.V. Singh sir for inaugurating the SAE club for our college.
हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी
टच करो, आप टच करो, हम साथ में रहेंगे बस.
हाँ हाँ, अरे हो जाए.
जोर से उठाना पड़ेगा यार.
ये वहाँ पे इधर आ जाइए.
Good morning. So thank you so much for being awake in the evening. And
बोल रहा था, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मुझे भी नहीं पता. बच्चों से पूछूंगा बाद में कि बताएं भैया मैंने क्या.
To stay awake, I hope they might have listened to you and I. Okay. So moving further ahead, we would have I have a short story, which I will share it with you people today and also with sir and everybody present here. But at the end of it, connected to what he was saying, and few of the very live experiences, what he just mentioned, exactly to that, I'll share it with all of you, which will intent change your, the entire aura around you for the life. So one small part right now I will share, and then we will announce the student office bearers, because today, since the first time club is inaugurated, and this is the first time, the first batch of student office bearers who would lead the entire club and their activities as mentioned by sir, and also for the institute and the other peers. But since it is for everybody and there needs to have some sort of people who need to take up as a voluntary job. So the process for the selection of office bearers was in a nomination. So there was a proper nomination done for all the office bearers for several posts in the club. And I think I don't even know who is what, but except today the chairman was announced everywhere. So I know Arpit from 4th year is the chairman, but I think I'll announce the rest of the office bearers. So I don't know even who is what. Can I have the list, please? Thank you. I would request to stay energized and appreciate the students and clap hard. And I would request the student to come over here and stand. So I'll start from bottom. Student publicity chair. Passing from 4th year mechanical. I request all the HODs over here to come up on the stage and give him the appointment letter so that he'll be continuing the entire session for 19 and 20. I request all the HODs please to come up on the stage. So I would request you to please take a seat. The next I have is student treasurer. I would say the best treasurer, the most treasurer part of it is from 4th year mechanical engineering department. I would request Mr. KV. Next I have Student Vice Chairperson Mr. Arvind Gupta from 4th year mechanical. Okay, so we have the student chairperson now. I would request Arpit Kumar to come up on stage. And then I would request Mr. Sandeep Sharma sir to please hand it over and huge round of applause for the entire office. I would start mentoring for what they have come up on stage till date, Mr. Mahesh Pratap Singh and Mr. Vikas Shukla from Mechanical, Engineering Department. Thank you so much.
प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं यार,
काम कर रहे हैं शाम को काम कर रहे हैं नहीं काम कर रहे हैं
एक्सपीरियंस आई वांट टू नो विजन
I give him the mic now and ahead I think the anchors.
whoever wants to hold his audience में है, if they want to come, most welcome to come and help.
So we didn't have the knowledge of SAE. So we didn't because in this college we have very good interface and very good we don't have very good exposure to the industries and things like SAE, which is very beneficial for students. So when CS sir came to our college, so he introduced us to about SAE and the importance of SAE. So when we got to know that it is really very important for us, so we decided to create a club, SAE Collegiate Club in our college. So for the first problem we had, it was the problem that like us, other students also didn't know about SAE. So first of all, we ran a class-to-class campaign to tell students about the SAE and the benefits of SAE. So we did a class-to-class campaign, and we told them that that's how SAE can help them for their future and how SAE can help them developing themselves. So after this, most of the students were convinced and they wanted to join SAE. So that is how we created a club. And after the creation of club, then the second thing was nomination of office bearers. So we first decided to make nomination for all the office bearers. So we just created a notification of the SAE nomination to every SAE member. Then those who were interested in the SAE, they came here and nominated for them. Then we selected the SAE office bearers. Now coming to our vision and future activities. So for our vision is to make the students better and more industry optimized by day by day. So basically, at first we before this event we went to a industrial visit at BPC Limited, that is Bharat Pumps and Compressor Limited in Naini. So our future activities would be, we'll try to do more and more activities like that, and also some personality development and other industrial visits and seminars which can develop the students as well as their personalities. So that is how our vision, that is what our vision is, and that's how we'll work in the SAE in future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Arpit, for sharing the vision with all of us. Next in the line, I would like to call the chairperson, Arpit Kumar, vice chairperson, Arvind Gupta, and treasurer, Avnish Tiwari, for giving a short presentation on SAE India. Mr. Sandeep Sharma, sir, General Manager of Minda Industries, to deliver us a technical talk for our benefit.
But before that, I would like to present a brief profile of Mr. Sandeep Sharma sir. Mr. Sandeep Sharma sir has got a rich experience of 19 years in R&D, design, engineering and techno-commercial activities. He joined Minda Groups in 2015, and prior to this he was in Luminous Power of Technology and AVL India Private Limited. Worked as a part of R&D Technology and AVL India Private Limited. Design in field of electronics, hardware, embedded software and solution of designer since the beginning of his career. At present, he is working in DGM Corporate Technology for the entire Uno Minda Group with the mandate developed to bring new product technologies. He finishes his BE from NIT Kurukshetra in 1997. Further, he pursued and obtained an MS degree in software system and postgraduate management degree in operational management.
Thank you very much for the introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. So, this is the most difficult part now. Your meetings since morning, like this is the main agenda. One of the main agenda for a special lecture, but normally technical lectures make you bored. You become sleepy. So, technical things you discuss every day. You know, in school, colleges, you study whatever your subject is. So, I'm not there to coach you. You know, what is I square R or what is the stress analysis. You know better, you know. And your teachers can teach you better than anyone else. Anup sir gave an introduction about SAE. It is all about Society of Automotive Engineers, and talk about automotives. But what about the other discipline? Mechanicals is part of automotive. Everybody knows it. But what about other civil, electrical, electronics, software, and so on? So, I'll take you through this presentation, you know, where this automotive industry is going and what kind of skills required in future. Right? Before starting this presentation, I just want to know which skill is on top. कॉलेज में थोड़े डिबेट होते हैं ना, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, सॉफ्टवेयर, फ्रॉम टॉप. Which one is good one? Mechanical is good. Okay.
Civil क्यों नहीं?
हाँ?
Civil क्यों नहीं?
डिबेट होता है ना हमारे टाइम show your attitude. When you go in an organization, it is made by different functions, where you will find people from finance, you will find people from electrical domains, electronics, someone from production, someone from quality, someone, different functions, even a security guard, right? With my 20 years of experience, I know you can't perform or you can't deliver anything without, a teamwork. The first thing you should learn, respect each other. Everybody is important, right? This is something which is required as an attitude. Otherwise you will be in frustration. When you in college you say you are the greatest one, mechanical is the top one, and in market you will find out nobody is asking about you. Same for the electrical, same for the electronics. It depends on the organization you are going to join. कहीं पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा, कहीं पे सॉफ्टवेयर ज़्यादा होगा, कहीं मैकेनिकल ज़्यादा होगा, right? So first thing, you should respect each other. Second thing, whenever you sit for any learning class, go to your professor, go to your seniors, go with some notepad, right? Nobody have notepad. Presentation I will not share, and you will forget most of the things.